Hello guys, welcome back. So as we already completed our first 5 challenges, let's take up our 6th challenge now, which is change the feature user experience. So once if you launch your playground, let's click on this gear icon followed by setup. So here we are going to choose object manager. So in quick find, let's search for product feature. So once if you get the result, just click on it. So here we are going to choose fields and relationships, and again in quick find we are just going to search for category, so which is right over here. Just click on category. So once if you get this page, while scrolling down you will find this values. So here we are going to choose new, and now go back to your challenge and copy this value label and paste it over here, and now click on save. So guys, now I'm just going to click on app launcher followed by Salesforce CPQ. So it is mandate that you have to complete your first challenge in order to get this. Now click on project. So it is products. So once if you click on products, go to all products, and here in search list I'm just going to search for desktop followed by enter. So once if you get this result as desktop computer, just make a click on it, and now let's go to our related tab. So here you will find this processor, memory and storage. So by clicking on edit next to processor, we are just going to make some change right over here. So for category we are going to give it as internals followed by save. So we are going to do this modification for memory and storage as well. Click on edit followed by internals followed by save, and now click on edit next to storage followed by internals for category followed by save. So guys, now in this search I'm just going to search for Q hyphen followed by 4 zeros accompanied by 7, so that you will get this code. Just click on it, and now by clicking on this drop down next to create order, we are going to choose edit lines. So sorry guys, edit lines is right over here. Just make a click on it, and here instead of clicking on this drop down next to add product, I'm just going to click directly on this add product. So once if you make the click in search product, I'm just going to search for desktop. So here we are going to check this checkbox, which is desktop computer. So once if it is done, click on select, and now we are going to switch over other tab. So here I'm just going to choose this monitor with 1080 pixel. So here we are having the requirement. So we need to choose keyboard with US layout, mouse and monitor. Just make sure we have selected all of these. So once if it is done, click on save followed by save again. So that is all about this challenge. Let's go back and click on check challenge. So yeah guys, we have successfully completed this challenge as well. So remaining challenges will be available in the same playlist. Do check that. See you all on next video. Until then, bye bye.